Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Monash University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in Monash account registration. That is Monash account registration. Tap on the first link. You must enter your Monash ID, your family name, and all the other information that you need to, and then hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to first activate your account. After you have activated your account, we're going to be heading over to the search bar one more time, and then in the search bar we're going to be typing Monash University Login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard again. Tap on the first link saying My Monash. Here you must enter your email address, hit next, and then enter your password to log into your account. You can also sign in with PIV/CAC card if you do have it with you. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.